Ladies and gentlemen, car enthusiasts, and speed aficionados, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exhilarating treat for you as we delve into the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 427. This modern muscle car seamlessly blends classic American automotive heritage with cutting-edge technology and performance. Buckle up as we explore every facet of this remarkable vehicle. First and foremost, let's talk about what's under the hood, the heart of any true muscle car. The 2025 Impala SS 427 roars to life with a formidable 7.0-liter V8 engine, a nod to its legendary 427 cubic inch predecessor. This powerhouse delivers an astounding 500 horsepower, providing the kind of raw, unbridled strength that muscle car enthusiasts crave. With 450 lb-ft of torque available, the Impala SS 427 ensures rapid acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. Mated to this impressive engine is a state-of-the-art 10-speed automatic transmission, engineered for seamless gear shifts and optimal performance. This transmission adapts to your driving style, whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing the limits on a racetrack. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, paddle shifters mounted on the steering wheel offer manual control, allowing you to harness the full potential of the V8 engine. Performance isn't just about straight-line speed, handling plays a crucial role in delivering a complete driving experience. The 2025 Impala SS 427 features a finely tuned suspension system that strikes a perfect balance between comfort and agility. Up front, you'll find a McPherson strut setup, while the rear boasts a multi-link suspension, both working in harmony to provide precise handling and a smooth ride. The inclusion of adaptive dampers allows the suspension to adjust in real time, ensuring optimal performance across various driving conditions. To complement its performance capabilities, the Impala SS 427 is equipped with a high-performance braking system. Vented disc brakes on all four corners, coupled with advanced anti-lock braking technology, ensure confident and controlled stopping power. Whether you're decelerating from high speeds or navigating city traffic, these brakes inspire confidence and safety. Now, let's shift our focus to the exterior design, where classic aesthetics meet modern flair. The 2025 Impala SS 427 pays homage to its storied lineage with a bold and aggressive stance. The front fascia features a prominent grille adorned with the iconic SS badge, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide excellent visibility and a distinct